anyways, welcome back to my channel. And if you're not welcome back to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today we are back with another motherfucking video, and we're doing like a little mukbang. Okay, you can see we got, you know, a special guest star, but no introductions.
Yep.
No face, no case. But we're about to show y'all this food because I'm ready to grub.
Oh.
She wanna get high. Because you know the thumbnail. Real quick.
Straight corn.
But yeah, that's the food. Okay, fries, street corn, Barria tacos. We had some potatoes too, but we ate them hoes. Yeah. Sorry, we ate the fuck out of them hoes. But
them bitches is good.
Yeah, we about to get into these tacos real quick. Okay, this fries cold. Some fries got cold.
Ah.
You got lime in your eye?
Yeah.
We squirt a little bit on there. Squirt a little bit on there. They should put more onions on this one. That is onion, right?
Yeah.
I was fucking them shits up on them fiesta tacos. I mean, on them fiesta burritos. I mean, why is my language off?
Consomme.
Dip in there. Dip in there. Oh, they getting ready to roll down here.
Hey, Phil. I went all the way to Boston for these tacos when they was like really about it. You remember?
Yeah, when it first came out.
Drove all the way to Boston for these.
Just for some tacos.
Yes.
We need to go to New York. Hit them food spots. Hell yeah. Especially that stoner pizza place.
Yo. I almost said something, but yo.
Which was nice. The block is hot. What is bread like? Not sure lock the door as they passing by, literally.
I waited till they flash by so I could lock the door.
As they could hear the door lock.
Yeah, that's the point.
They locked the door.
She locked the door. That's the point. That shit is motherfucking good. You want my straight corn?
You don't want it?
After a while. What, you about to whoop her?
Right.
You know how I don't like white stuff.
What is it?
It's cheese though. I should be okay, but I just don't like my food touched like that. Don't. It look good, but
I'm gonna try it and tell you.
No, I don't like.
I'm gonna try it and tell you.
Oh yeah. I'm full too now.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know.
I'm scared. I'm sorry.
You like weird shit.
But it smells weird, like.
And then it's not. It's good. I love corn. I don't like the sauce.
It's like a spicy sauce. It's hot. Ooh. Goddamn. And we ain't get no drinks. We ain't got no bevs. She got a half Bev, trying to make it seem like it's something.
That's more than she got.
Cause I ain't got nothing. And if they ain't have that sauce, it'd be good. She'll get it. She'll get rid of. I need some napkins.
Ain't got nothing in your bag?
Do it look like I got my bag? That shit is up the stairs. With your onesie.
They moved out?
Oh. No. Them bitches still live there. Yeah, if that corn didn't have that fucking shit on it, it'd be good. It'd be bomb.com. Your fries not cold?
Yeah, I just don't fries.
I was gonna say like how.
It's a wrap for me. I don't think I can do mukbangs because I get full too fast. Like, they be ordering a lot of food but trying like little stuff. I'm probably taking it all. Take off. She do not have to smack like that, y'all.
I'm sorry.
I'm really giving you the face right now. I just don't want nobody to hear me sing. Please shut the fuck up.
Me?
Yes. Why did you just smack like that? I don't know how the fuck you started that second taco.
Cause it's a mind thing. It's a mental thing. I'm like, okay, if I start this, I can finish it, but it don't ever work out. Yeah. That shit was good though. I'm thirsty. We should go to bed. Let's go to the store. Right now. Right now. Alright.
That was fun. That was good.
That was shit was good as fuck. Taco Dero. I mean, I said De Niro. Taco Dero. Right?
Yeah.
Taco Dero. Go there. Or be the square, motherfucker. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a mom, dad, cat, uncle, tell whoever subscribe to the channel because why not? Support is 100% free.